All right, guys, so I thought I'd go over in this video my profitable swing trading setup. So this is going to be for the 1 hour to 4 hour to even daily time frame. And you'll notice right off the bat that I'm not using 4 to 5 different indicators cluttering my chart, giving me a headache every time I load in TradingView. I'm solely going to be using the EzAlgo SR indicator. So this is going to be a strictly price action strategy. Trading is all about price action. In this case, we're not going to be using any buy or sell signals or any other confluences besides the EzAlgo support and resistance levels, and also key Fibonacci levels, which I like to use in confluence with these levels. So I don't really manually draw support and resistance levels anymore. I pretty much just load in the EzAlgo SR and base my higher time frame trades off of these key levels. And if you're just starting out, there's absolutely no need for you to be scalping on the 1 minute to 5 minute time frame if you're not yet profitable on a higher time frame. Some of the greatest traders that I know, and even the ones in our VIP group, trade this way. So they trade on a 1 hour to 4 hour time frame using key support or resistance levels, supply and demand zones at certain times, and then key Fibonacci levels, which I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. The key Fib levels that I'm going to show you guys in this video are not going to be found anywhere else on YouTube, and you won't hear too many people talking about these levels. These come straight from our crypto VIP group. So if you want to join our crypto VIP group to get daily live signals, live calls, and also setups, and be sure to click the first link in the description below. You'll also get access to the EzAlgo trading indicator. So we're going to go through some setups together in real time and chart out some possible long and short positions that we can take. All right, so the first thing I do when I'm trying to enter a position on a higher time frame is identify the overall trend. So whether the market is in an uptrend or downtrend, this does not work in ranging markets. So you really want to see price making higher highs and higher lows, or price making lower highs and lower lows. Now this is obviously pretty easy to identify. Here you can see on FTM, price is clearly in an uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows. So the first thing you want to do, like I said, is go to the 4 hour time frame. We've already established that price is in an uptrend, so we're only going to be looking for long positions. The next thing we want to do is look for a key EzAlgo support level. Now, we have a ton of different support levels here that go all the way down to the low level at around 18 cents. But obviously that's not realistic. We're not going to take a trade at 18 cents. FTM's price is already at 57 cents. So we'd be waiting maybe months if we have a new bull run, maybe even years for price to get down to one of these low levels. So since we're on a 4 hour time frame, we want to look for a long from one of these recent EzAlgo support levels. So you can see that price had actually broken out of this previous resistance level, came back down to retest it, and went up, I think, almost 30%. Now, this was actually a setup I posted in the Pro Discord. So if you guys want to get in the Pro Discord and see all these setups when I post them, which is pretty much every day, then be sure to click the first link in the description below. Since we've already rejected from this level in the recent past, I'd be looking for a long position from this level once again, from this EzAlgo support zone. So if price comes back down to this zone, I'd be looking for a long position. My invalidation level would be below the support zone. And now it's time to get our Fibonacci retracement tool, because it's always good to take long positions at support and resistance zones, but we want a little bit more confluence. So I'm going to take this fib out, and you can see we actually have a key Fibonacci retracement level overlapping that support zone. So I'm using the 0.618, the 0.702, and the 0.786 Fibonacci levels. Now, shout out to Air in the crypto VIP. This is his secret sauce, the fib levels that he uses. And price tends to come back down to these levels time and time again. So if you wanted to, you can set your first bid at the 0.618, and then you could dollar cost average right below this EzAlgo support zone, which would also be a swing failure of this recent candle low right here. So I am expecting price to come back down, and if it does come back down, I'd be looking to take a long position right at that support zone with confluence with the key fib levels targeting this high level. So that's over a 5 risk to reward ratio. Now, so obviously you're not going to hold the entire trade until it gets back up to this high level. What I like to do is do partial take profits. So anytime that I'm happy with my percent return, let's say I'm up 3 to 4% on no leverage, which would be 30 to 40% on 10x leverage, I'll take some profit, move my stop loss to break even, and then just take profit on the way up. So I'm constantly locking in gains. All right, so looking at Litecoin USDT here on the 4-hour time frame, again, price is making higher highs and higher lows, meaning that market structure is looking bullish. So what I'm going to do is get my fib level out, draw it from the previous swing low to the previous swing high, and you can see that the key Fibonacci levels I was just telling you guys about overlaps the support zone. So for me, that is a long position. If price comes back down to the support zone, I'd be looking for a long at the 0.618, targeting the high EzAlgo resistance level. So my trade would look something like this with my stop loss below that support zone. And something you'll notice about these trades is that the risk to reward is often very, very high, anywhere from 3 to 4 risk to reward. Obviously, you're going to be moving your stop loss, taking partials along the way, but still you're risking $100 to make $300. And if you have a 50% win rate at a 3 risk to reward ratio, you're going to be extremely, extremely profitable and in the money. Now, sometimes people ask me which swing lows to use because there are multiple swing lows. We have this swing low, we have this swing low over here. This could even be considered a swing low. Well, the swing low that I like to use is the previous swing low. So if I'm on a 4-hour time frame, I'm going to use the swing low from right here at 88.15. This is the most prominent, the one that kind of sticks out to me the most. We obviously have these key lows right here, and we also have an EzAlgo support level there. So if you're struggling from where to actually draw your fib, look at these support and resistance levels. I'm going to draw it from this support level to this high resistance level, and that will give me the key fib levels that I'm looking for. All right, and here is a long position I'm currently looking at on Woo USDT. The reason being is that we've rejected from the support zone 1, 2, 3 different times in the past. So chances are if price comes back down to the support zone that we're going to see some sort of reaction. Now, am I expecting a 33% move on no leverage? Not necessarily, but I am expecting some sort of bounce from this level. So even if you get a 5 to 6% move, if you're using 10, 20x leverage, guys, these moves are absolutely huge. And this is what we're doing in the Pro Discord. We're taking these swing trades on a higher time frame. There's no need to be scalping when you can learn this. And also, if I draw my key fib from one of these swing lows, I can almost guarantee we have one of the key fib levels overlapping the support zone, which we do. So you can see the 702, the 618, and the 702 pretty much overlap this support zone perfectly. So I'd be looking for a long position right at the support zone, and that fib just validated that long position. Let me show you guys a recent waves long setup I posted in the Pro Discord. You can see I pretty much did what I just showed you guys. We had this EzAlgo support zone here on the 1-hour time frame. I drew my fib from the previous swing low to the previous swing high. Saw that we had a 702 fib level overlapping that EzAlgo support zone. Set my bid, and you can see price came directly to that level and shot up, I think around 2 to 3%, actually almost 5% now. So that's a 50% move on 10x leverage. Something else I like to do is ladder into trades. Here is a current sushi long position I'm looking at. Again, same thing. We have that EzAlgo support level, and we also have that key Fibonacci level overlapping that support level at the 618. So something else I like to do is put my first entry at the 618, and then if price does go down to the second support zone at the 786, I will ladder in dollar cost average and put my stop loss below that zone. So if price keeps coming down and fails to hold this first support zone, I'll dollar cost average, and then when price eventually goes back up, I will make even more money. Here's an AVE long position I'm looking at. Again, we've rejected from this EzAlgo support zone 1, 2, 3, about to be 4 times in the recent past, and we've reacted from this level every single time. So if price comes back down to the support zone, I'd be looking for a long position. If I get my key fib level from this previous swing low over here to this previous swing high, you can see we have those key fib levels overlapping that support zone. Now, something else I like to look at is the EZ oscillator. So I like to use the EZ oscillator for confluence. You can see that every time price begins to react from the support zone, you can see that the momentum oscillator flips from red to blue and the volume histogram flips from red to blue. So if I see that price comes back down to the zone and the volume histogram changes from red to blue and the momentum wave trend flips from red to blue, I will be even more confident that price will go in my direction. So the trade would look something like this, with price coming back down to the zone and then I'd look for a long position. And what I'd like to see on the EZ oscillator is for momentum to come back down here and then flip from red to blue somewhere around here as price is rejecting, with the volume histogram going up like this. We want to see volume increasing to take a long position and then want to see volume decreasing to take a short position. Again, I'm charting an XRP setup as we speak. I see we have this key 0.702, 0.786 fib zone overlapping this EzAlgo support zone, and I would be looking for a nice double bottom here on XRP to take a long position. So I'd wait for price to come down to the zone and look for a long position targeting these EzAlgo resistance levels as our take profits. Again, almost a 6 risk to reward ratio. This is really how simple it is to be swing trading on a 4-hour time frame with EzAlgo. Like I said, if you guys want the EzAlgo SR, the EZ oscillator, and EzAlgo V6 indicators, be sure to click the first link in the description below. That was it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and I'll see you guys next video.